Good evening, everyone. So, it's our second lecture on the long sound of O. As we have done the short and long sound of O in our previous lecture, so now we are doing the long sound of O. So, there are some other ways in which we can say the long sound of O. As you can see, when O and E comes at the end of the word, they make the long sound of O. Okay, noise, read these words with their sounds. T,
T,
O,
O,
to,
to,
f, o, fo,
D, O, do,
do,
V, O, vo,
j,
J, O, jo, G, O, goes.
very well. Okay, so my dear students, when O and W comes at the end of any letter and end of any word, they also make the long sound of O. As you can see in B, B, O, W, O, bo.
G,
K is silent noise.
N, O,
No.
no.
Here H is silent.
O,
Sorry. Sh. SH makes the sh sound. It is a consonant cluster and it is making the sh sound. Sh. O. Show. L. O. Low. Bl.
B,
O. Blow.
K,
Cr. O.
crow.
Crow. Okay, now when we come to the long sound of O, when O comes at the end of the letter, they usually make the long sound of O. So in this case, there are some round about 70 and 72 words which any student must learn, and they call the tricky one. They use the long sound of O. As you can see in the word no, so, old, told and hold. Okay, noise, read these words with their sounds.
No, O, no. So, O, so. O,
Old,
old.
old,
Old.
told, old, hold. Okay, thank you so much. This is all about for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.